guys. Hey guys. So what is going on? I'm trying to get something out of my hand. Excuse me. So anyways, guys, what's going on? So guys, I am back with another video. This is not a workout video, guys. This is an extra video. I'm going to be doing a prank on Ezra. So what I'm gonna do, he's wanted me to do his makeup for a while, you know, like he's almost 11, not even ready to go on the road with makeup, regardless of whatever. It doesn't matter. It's just for fun. So told him I'm gonna do his makeup. But guys, I got this today at the dollar store. You can look at this. It's a lip pumper, and it says hot alert. So that's the last thing I'm gonna put on that. You know, I should put it on with the middle while I do a little, you know, I'll put it on a couple of different times in the video, guys, just to get a reaction out of him. Let him know it was a prank on top of his makeup. So he gets to get his makeup done. I get to get a prank out of it, guys. Dang. So guys, definitely stay tuned. We're gonna get this done. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and guys, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? What's going on? So guys, don't lean on the table. So guys, as you can see in the title, what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be doing this face. Hold on, let me get him together. So I am going to be doing a light beat on this face right here. Y'all see that? Look at the camera. Look right there in the camera. So guys, before I get up into this video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I do want to mention that he's not old enough to wear makeup. We are just doing this just for fun. Okay. And only nice comments down below. If you don't have anything nice to say, please don't say anything at all. Now, before we get up into this video, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Turn this channel up. Check out the old videos. And yeah, let's get into this video. Whatever, y'all. Okay, so guys, we are back. All right, guys, so I'm going to start off, like I said, it's going to be very light. Nothing too serious, nothing too big, nothing, just something a little bit. Look at this little face right here. You don't need anything that big right on there, right? Yeah. Okay, and what did he say before? Tell me what you said before when I was getting everything out. I look beautiful. They can't hear you. What? You got to be confident. What? I look beautiful already. Period. All right, guys. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to go ahead. This right here is for the eyebrows and eyebrow pencil. So I'm just going to put a little light bead on there with this. So first I'm going to start off by, this is the side right here, is taking, just brushing them over a little bit, y'all, a little bitty. What is that on my eyebrows? This right here is this dark brown. Did you turn that light on? You did? Boom. Just got color in it just a little bit. You don't need too much. Right? I did a lot. I couldn't. Interesting. What? What? Really? Like I said, a little something slight, little slight. I can't even see anything. That's why, it's because it's slight. Right? Okay, guys. Bring him in. You didn't even do anything. A little black eyeliner ain't never hurt nobody. He does not like this part. Huh? I hate this part. Close your eye. All right, guys. See it?
Uh-uh.
It's a little something like. It's not acting brand new.
Oh, you see it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
See, he's acting brand new. You don't even know, guys. Little pencil. I'm gonna do a little one with some little glitter in it. I'll show you guys when I get close. Look. See? Go there. Close it. Keep it down. Ooh, it's cute.
What are you doing to my face?
Come on. Close your eye. All right, check it out. See, look at it. All right. That's it. Now I'm gonna do for the little wing part.
Ow, why'd you do that? That's all you gonna do? It's a dab.
Yeah, because it's for the wing part, boy.
Oh.
Wow, look at you. Remember, guys, light. No, you chill out. Look at him. One more acting brand new. What did he say before, y'all? Close your eye. Close it.
Oh. Ooh.
All right, have a seat, have a seat. This is just gonna be just a little puffer for the just a little bit on the cheekbones. I'll do this. Where's my one? First one, go. Go.
I
Fuck
can't
in. Your boy over there.
I get
Ezra.
money.
Look at that. Okay.
It's actually on there.
It is on there. You just gotta. You can't just see it all. It's not supposed to. I'm not making it too obvious. All right, guys. I'm going to head and line his lips now.
What is a skip tip tour?
For when I do the stuff up there. Huh?
Ma, I don't want to look like you when you do that.
Smile. Mm-mm. Perfect. Oh, he got some big lips. That's all I gotta say. Come on, go ahead. Let me see, Bob. Go ahead. Go ahead. Stay there. I gotta fix it. Now wait this. Oh, put your whole lip. Put them all in there. You got so much spit on your lips. This is why these come handy. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this And then just do the lip gloss because it'll pop better because your lips are big enough. And this will just.
Because I do not want that all my life. I do not want to look like you when you go to a restaurant.
All right.
It's still ugly.
Just a little bit.
It's not all straight.
A little. No.
You're trying to look me ugly up here.
No, I'm not, boy. Come on. This is gonna go for the top part of it. Come on, close it. Up on the top. Put it up here. Oh, that car's pretty. I like this car. You see it?
Yeah.
You wanna go look in the mirror real quick before we get to the lip gloss part? Or you?
Yeah.
You good?
I like this.
Huh?
It's better. I like it like this. Without
See?
lip gloss.
Okay, so we're gonna do just the lip gloss and then that's it. You sure don't wanna go check it out in the mirror first? It looks so cute. So you can see actually this part. You can't see it in this one. Go look and turn the light in the mirror and go look real quick. He's gonna go do that real quick. And guys, we're getting ready to do this.
You messed up my lip.
Here we go. Come on. It's not done yet. We're getting ready to get the lip gloss. A light beat.
You left up back the bottom lip.
Come on. Oh, you want me to wipe it off some more?
Yes.
Go like this. Your lips are so big.
Ow!
It ain't coming off, y'all. This lip gloss.
No!
The lip gloss will make it come on. Come on. Ooh, it smells good.
Oh, there you go. Okay, all right. I can't smell.
All right, guys. Ready for the cuteness smile. Come on. How? You got big lips. Stop it with the attitude. Ooh, it's kind of pink. It's going to be pink. And it's so light. Come on.
Oh.
Ooh. He had this one pink one time, guys, and you know he put so much on and wasted it.
That's the hustler. I don't wear it because my
You do?
mustache did.
That's cute. Even it's mixed with the little black. It's cute.
You stashed my ugly lip gloss.
Ew.
Ew.
All your mouth. Here, put them together.
I think
like
that's
this.
a clean.
Ezra. Stop with the attitude.
I'm still mad you messed up my bottom lip.
No, look at it. It's still, look it together. It's not messed up, y'all. I gotta put a little bit more of this on there. It's not popping. It gotta pop.
It is.
Is it popping?
Yes, it's
Look
done.
more.
My lips are burning because of you.
I'm sorry, my lips don't. How am I making your lips burn? This is lip gloss, boy.
You rubbed my lips so hard.
Look in there.
It's too much.
Here, now put your lips together. Look. Now look at it. I feel like your lip is getting bigger on the bottom.
No, it's
Look
not. Stop.
Hey, chill. Sit down and show them. Okay, tell them what you like and what you don't like. Come on, actually, don't have an attitude now. It's the first. It could be the first and last time, y'all.
I know everything except this. Y'all see this? Y'all hear it?
Yeah, it's a little bit. He wasn't putting his mouth right, so I'm not about to hold his face steady when he could have did that himself, y'all. How are those lips doing? They look-
Burn.
Your lips are burning?
Yes, because you rubbed it so hard.
They're not burning.
Yes, they are. So hard.
He says that his lips are burning, y'all. I think I did a good job with
You
his
did.
face.
You
It's
did.
cute. You like the little bit of it?
Yeah.
Your lips are not burning though, huh?
They are.
But it doesn't bother you though, huh?
No. Can you do it for my graduation too? Yeah.
Let me see. I want to put a little bit more here. Here, stop! What are you doing that for?
Because it hurt.
Huh?
I told you it hurt.
The bottom lip is getting so big. You don't notice how big it's getting?
I know.
Hmm?
I know it's getting, but it's not supposed to be.
You know why it's getting big?
Why?
Because this is lip pumper gloss. It makes your lips grow and it burns your lips. Stop it You said it wasn't burning. Your lip is really good. I mean, his lip is growing, guys.
Why did you do that?
Because I thought I'd get a little prank in the interim while I give you a little face thing.
What's the real applause?
You guys hear this? He wants the real lip. What? This is real lip gloss.
What's that?
It is. It's lip pumper. Let me put some more in there.
No!
Come on. It doesn't. If
you mess about my lip before I get it done.
Your graduation. He's worried about graduation, y'all.
Cause I'll be mad.
Come on. But look at. Tell about the makeup though, guys. I did get him in the interim. His lips were burning, but they feel good. He's not really too, worried about it.
I'm mad.
Do they hurt?
Yes!
They still hurt?
Yes.
No, it doesn't. He wiped it all off.
Okay, put it on your lips.
I tried this stuff before. It hurts.
Exactly.
And it makes my lips feel weird. Does it make your lips feel weird? Huh?
It burns.
So guys, this lip pumper came from the dollar store. You see it? And then on the box, what does it say? Let me show you guys.
I don't know who in the world put this. If you find something else, so don't put it on.
It says hot alert. You see it? Hot alert. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for taking the time watching this little video. You guys got a little something with him and a little prank. Guys, thank you so much for taking time watching the video. Please like.
Who wants big lips?
You do. Show them. Look at how big his lips are, y'all. Look, and these girls out here on the streets be wanting them big lip suits. They be taking that pumper. Look at the big old lips, y'all.
Man, my lips turns red when you mad.
Turn red. Boy, your lip ain't turn red. It's just gonna burn. Anyways, guys, later.